Good morning, children. How are you all? We are meeting again after a very long holidays, isn't it? I hope you all are well, healthy, happy, and safe. Without much ado, let's come to the class. Children, we have already completed chapter Food and Digestion, Teeth and Microbes, and Safety Food. First. Now let's come to the next chapter, that is solid, liquid and gases. Children, I hope you all have purchased the books. So kindly open the book, chapter 5. In this chapter, we will learn about what is matter and change of state. Children, first I will explain what is matter. The first topic. We see many things around us like rocks, mountain, soil, animals. All these take up a particular space and have some weight or mass. So, anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. वो चीजें जो जगह को घेर लेती है और जिसमें वेट होता है. For example, see this blackboard. It occupies this much space. Okay? And it has some weight also. So it is a matter. Understood? And this matter is made up of smallest substance or particles, that is called molecules. Matter is made up of molecules. And this is the smallest substance, and it exists independently in that substance or a matter. Okay? So, now let us come to the book reading. First topic is what is matter. There are different things around us, such as rocks, animals, plants, air, sand, water, etc. These things take up space and have some weight or a mass. So, anything that occupies space and have mass or a weight, that is called matter. Matter is made of molecules. Molecules are the smallest substance in matter that exists independently. Children, apart from this, in our houses, we can see different things like furniture, television, water bottle, bags, etc. And all these things are made up of different materials, such as furniture is made up of wood, water bottle is made up of plastics. Things we see around us are made up of different materials, and these are called matter. This matter can be in solid, liquid or gaseous state. ये जो मैटर का सब्सटेंस होता है, ये या तो सॉलिड होता है, या लिक्विड, या फिर गैस के रूप में हम देखते हैं. Suppose this duster is solid in shape. Okay? Water, liquid, and balloon, gas in balloon or gas in tubes, that is gas. Okay, so solid has a definite shape. Let us discuss further this solid, liquid and gas one by one. Now first is solids. In solid substance, the molecules are very close to each other. They don't have space to move around. See the arrangement of molecules in solids. See, the molecules are closely packed. They don't have space in between to move around. The intermolecular space, इनके बीच में जो जगह होती है, it is very less, बहुत कम है. So the molecules, they don't free to move around. So in solid, they have a fixed shape and fixed volume. Volume means the amount of space that the substance or matter takes. Okay, in solid they have a fixed shape and fixed volume. For example, see this duster, it has a fixed shape. This bottle, it has a fixed shape. So now come to the book reading. Solids. In solid substance, the molecules are packed very close to each other. This means the molecules in solids do not have space to move around. The intermolecular space is very less. So, solid have fixed shape and fixed volume. Brick, pencil, table, stone, chair, etc. are example of some solids. A brick is a solid object. It has a definite shape and a definite volume. We may lift it and place it anywhere we like it. We can lift the brick easily and we can place it anywhere easily. It is same as in all solids. We can lift this blackboard easily. We can place it anywhere. We can lift the chair, table, anything easily and we can place it anywhere. Okay? Its shape will not change and will not occupy the same amount of space. But some solids like rubber ball change their shape when they are pressed. You know rubber ball. When we pressed that rubber ball, it easily pressed and changed its shape. Just like a rubber ball. See, this is a sponge ball and this is a plastic ball. When we pressed this sponge ball, see, it changed its shape. But when we press this plastic ball, it can't change its shape. Okay? So, some solid, when we pressed, like rubber ball, sponge ball, they change their shape. So next is liquids. Children, what is liquid? An everything that flows. That is liquid. When milk gets spilled, water gets spilled, or oil gets spilled, what happens? It starts flowing. बहने लग जाता है. It means in liquid substance, the molecules are loosely packed. They are not very close to each other. See, they are far from each other. Molecules. The intermolecules space, इनके बीच में जो जगह, the intermolecular space is more. So, in liquids have no fixed shape, takes up the shape of the container. I will explain this by this activity. Okay? See the bottle. Water is in it. It takes the space of this container. Okay? Now I am pouring this water into this glass. Now it takes the shape of this glass. First shape of this container, this bottle. Now see, it takes the shape of this glass. It means liquid has no fixed shape. It takes the shape of the container. So now come to the book reading. Liquids. In liquid substance, the molecules are loosely packed. This means the intermolecular space in liquid is more than in solid. See children, in solid, the arrangement of molecules are like this. They don't have a space in between. They do not move freely. And see here, see the difference. The intermolecular space is more than in solid. A liquid does not have a fixed shape. It takes up the shape of the container. When it is poured from one container to another, its volume does not change, but it takes the shape of the new container. Thus, a liquid does not have a fixed shape, has a fixed volume, can be poured. Water, milk, oil, juice, etc. are some examples of liquids. After solid and liquid, the next is gases. It is the lightest state of matter. In gases, molecules are very loosely packed. This means there are large intermolecular space. So, it has no fixed shape, no fixed volume. It spreads in the entire available space. For example, when we spray perfume in our room, what happens? The fragrance spreads in the entire available space. Children, as you have seen, football, volleyball, basketball, some pillows or balloons, they all are filled with air. This air is a mixture of many gases. What we breathe out, it is a gas. What we breathe in, it is also a gas. We can't hold this gas in our hand. We can't see this gas, but we can feel it. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen are some example of gases. Now let's come to the book reading. Gases. The gaseous state is the lightest state of matter. In gases, the molecules are very loosely packed. This means there is large intermolecular space. Gases have no fixed shape. They spread in the entire available space. Air is a mixture of many gases. We cannot see or hold air in our hands. It has no fixed shape. It takes up all the space available in our surroundings. Thus, a gas has no definite shape, no fixed volume, spreads in the entire available space. Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. are different gases present in the air. Children, I hope you have understood today's topic. We will meet again in next class. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.